Hey there, Pat Logue with the Anchor Group. Today we're going to take another exciting Ocean City property tour. Today we're at 4 Wesley Rd in the Gardens in Ocean City, New Jersey. Hey, before we go inside and take a look around, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me at the contact information. So let's take a look inside. 4 Wesley Rd is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, new construction. We enter to open concept with our kitchen, dining area, and our family room. Off of the kitchen, we have a powder room, a laundry room. We also have access to the 2-car garage. Note, property has an elevator. It stops on all floors, including the garage. Off the kitchen and living area, spacious backyard with a beautiful plunge pool. Let's go upstairs and take a look around. On the next level, we have a stunning master suite, including his and her vanity, large walk-in shower, and a private water closet. The primary bedroom has access to a deck that overlooks the pool. Tons of room. And a large walk-in closet. Adjacent to that, we have a junior suite with access to the front deck, another double vanity sink, and a very attractive walk-in shower. Also features double doors on the closet. In the front of the house, we have 2 more bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Double vanity, shower and tub in the shared bathroom. Bedroom 1 in the front of the house, bedroom 2 in the front of the house. So that's 4 bedrooms on this level. Also, access to the elevator. Up 1 more level, we have another full bath. And a room in the front of the house that could be used as a bedroom, a playroom, or anything else. So if you have any interest in this property or any questions about anything else Ocean City real estate related, please reach out to me at the contact information, and do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. You have a great day.